Feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just exhausted by the pace of modern life? You're not alone. In fact, nearly 80% of Americans report experiencing regular stress, and it's silently impacting your body, your sleep, and your long-term health. But what if the solution didn't require a pill or a doctor's visit? What if the answer is right under your nose, literally? Welcome to this video, where we explore the ancient yet scientifically backed practice of breathwork. Stay with us as we dive into how just a few minutes a day can reduce stress, reset your nervous system, and dramatically improve your health. Let's start with the basics. Why does breathwork even matter? Breathing is the only bodily function that's both automatic and under your control. And here's why that's powerful. By consciously changing the way you breathe, you can directly influence your heart rate, blood pressure, digestion, immune response, and even emotional state. A 2020 study from Cell Reports Medicine found that participants who practiced daily breathwork had significantly reduced cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress, in just 2 weeks. When stress hits, your breathing becomes shallow and rapid. Your body enters fight or flight mode. Breathwork does the opposite. It switches you to rest and digest, calming your mind and balancing your body. Let's go a little deeper. When you inhale slowly and deeply, you stimulate the vagus nerve, a major part of your parasympathetic nervous system, the one that calms your body down. Think of it like your internal reset switch. Controlled breathing increases heart rate variability, HRV, which is a strong indicator of resilience and health. People with higher HRV are less likely to experience anxiety, depression, and even cardiovascular disease. Microscope fact drop. A study in Frontiers in Psychology showed that just 5 minutes of breath-focused meditation can reduce anxiety and increase emotional clarity. All right, ready to try it out? Here are 3 of the most powerful and simple breathwork techniques you can start today. 3 o'clock best for stress relief, mental clarity. How to do it. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Repeat for 1 to 5 minutes. Box breathing is used by Navy SEALs to stay calm and focused under pressure. It's like meditation with a blueprint, ideal for beginners. Test tube science note. This method slows brain waves and reduces adrenaline, the body's primary stress chemical. 3 o'clock best for falling asleep, reducing anxiety. How to do it. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Popularized by Dr. Andrew Weil, this technique taps into your body's natural relaxation system. It literally lowers your heart rate and prepares your brain for sleep. 3 o'clock best for boosting energy, immune system activation. How to do it. Take 30 quick, deep breaths. Exhale fully and hold. Inhale deeply and hold for 15 seconds. Repeat for 3 to 4 rounds. Used by elite athletes and biohackers, this method increases oxygen saturation and triggers a deep bodily reset. Studies have shown that Wim Hof's breathing reduces inflammation and even helps fight off viruses. Warning, safety note. Always practice in a safe place. Never while driving or in water. Still wondering if it really works? Let's talk results. Bar chart clinical findings. 30% lower blood pressure in consistent breathwork practitioners. 60% reduction in anxiety symptoms over 8 weeks, Harvard Health Publishing. Improved immune markers, better digestion, deeper sleep. Your breath is more than just air, it's medicine. It's nature's built-in tool for balance, healing, and presence. You don't need to dedicate hours. Here's how to build breathwork into your routine. Sun morning boost. 5 rounds of Wim Hof before breakfast. Person in lotus position midday reset. 2 minutes of box breathing after lunch. Crescent moon evening calm for 7-8 before sleep. Combine breath work with gentle stretching, walking in nature, or aromatherapy for even greater results. App recommendations. Breathwork. Calm. Insight timer. Every inhale is an invitation. Every exhale a release. You don't need expensive gadgets, memberships, or supplements. You already have the power to calm your mind, energize your body, and heal from within. It starts with a single breath. If you found this helpful, share it with someone you care about And don't forget to subscribe for more natural wellness tips every week. Breathe better, live better,